Here we sit in a house in the dark because there's no power. Kennysart here. I thought I'd come down to the beach and video the storm that's going on today. We're supposed to have wind gusts up to 100 miles an hour, and it's definitely going to be windy down here. Lots of limbs on the road near Alder Dunes Park. Overlooking the Pacific Ocean from South View on Highway 101, north of Florence. Uh-oh, trees down on the highway. Hi Dick, this is Kenny Henson. I'm up here at the Sea Lion Caves on Highway 101 and I want to report a road closure. There's a slide with some trees on the road. It would be just north of it. 500 feet. It's between the Sea Lion Cave building and the pullout where you look at you see the lighthouse and stuff. Yes. Both. Checking things out at Devil's Elbow State Park. I tried to get out on my car and the wind almost ripped the door off. Same thing happened when I went to the restroom. The wind caught the door and almost ripped my hand off. I continued on up north on Highway 101 and viewed the wind and waves on the ocean. Stopped at Devil's Churn and checked out the surf. Continued on up Highway 101 to Yachats and watched the wind and waves there before turning around and heading back towards Florence. Stopped at Cape Perpetua and watched the spouting horn and was completely overwhelmed by a big rain squall. Had to dash back to the car. Fallen trees had been cleared from the highway when I went back past Sea Lion Caves on the way back towards Florence. Went back to Florence and tried to turn down Heceta Road to go to see what was going on at the beach, but I was blocked by some fallen trees. Looks like we're going to be turning around. There were lots more trees and debris down on Rhododendron Drive as I made my way along. I wanted to go down to the North Jetty, but I was stopped by some more trees in the road. Had to turn around and head back up to Rhododendron Drive. Well, I guess we're not going down to the beach. Went down to the South Jetty instead and watched the wind and waves and birds down there. Must be a bunch of trees down on Canary Road. It seems to be closed. And back at home, the wind was still blowing like crazy. Peggy sits and reads her book by lantern light because we had no power. Went on into town later and got dinner. Well, here I am sitting at home in the dark since the power is still out at our house. Hope you have enjoyed the video that I've created about the big storm on the Oregon coast. And if you like my videos, make a comment below. Click the subscribe button above. Thanks for watching. Bye.